welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cash stuffing my variable expense envelopes. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, so far this week, everything has been going okay, y'all, but it's been a little bit busy for me. Honey, thank God it is the weekend coming up, y'all. I am so excited about that. And so this weekend, I am going to be, I'm still going to be a little bit busy, but, after I get through doing what I have to do, I'm going to relax. I can't wait to get my nails done, honey. I'm getting them done this weekend. And I don't know, y'all, I think my color, I think I'm going to do pink, y'all. I think I'm going to do some type of pink, and I might do some glitter on it. I'm not sure, but honey, we'll find out. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome weekend. All right, sweeties, so before I begin, I'm super excited because the BCL group has started back again. You guys, the BCL group was created by Budgeting April. BCL stands for the Budgeting Community Link. And you guys, what we do on this link, we all budgeters, we get together and, we support each other. So, for example, what we do is we support each other by either binge watching their videos, or we buy from their EtsyShop or online businesses. We comment, we share, their videos, subscribe to their channels, those kind of things. So it's all about support. If you guys are interested in becoming on the BCL link, you guys can contact Budgeting April, and I think you can contact her on her Instagram. All right, sweeties, so we are going to do a shout out to the ones that's on the link for this week. And so, sweeties, the ones that's on the link, they are I Desire Wealth, It's D, Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. So, sweeties, once again, those are the three that's on the Budgeting Community link this week. And go check them out, you guys. Go watch their videos, subscribe to their channels, buy from their shop, support them in whichever way you can. Also, too, some of them are also on social medias, like the other social medias like TikTok and Instagram. You guys can support them whichever way you want. All right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do is I am going to let you guys know the amount that I'm going to be cash stuffing today. And the amount is going to be $385. All right, sweeties, so let's take this out of the bag here. And I'm going to place this bag on the side. And I'm going to count to make sure it comes out to $385. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the denominations, and I'm going to place it over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to actually take my wallet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how much rollover money that I had left over from the last pay period. And so also too, you know what I do now? I also keep track of my rollover monies at the end of, out of each pay period. And then I add it up to see how much total that I had saved just by the rollover money for the month. All right, sweeties, I hope you guys can see this. And so, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start. This is over here. This is for the second half of this is the second pay period, in other words. So, sweeties, so this is the beginning of what I had cash stuff. And so now we're going to, we're going to see how much money I had left. All right, sweeties, so we're going to start with Keena's funds. And so I have $21. And so I'm going to write that down next to Keena's funds. All right, sweeties, I'm going to place this money on the side over here. And so what I usually do, sweeties, any rollover / leftover monies, I always cash stuff it in my saving challenges. All right, sweeties, so let's go to the next category, which is groceries. And let's see how much money I had rollover / leftover. And it was $5. I want to place it over here on the side. And I'm going to write $5 next to groceries. Next is snacks. Let's see how much money I had left over. So, sweeties, I had $2 remaining left. I'm going to write that down over here in snacks. Next is gas. And, honey, I actually have $5 remaining left. And I want to place that on the side. I'm going to write that down over here in the gas. We're going to skip car wash. Next is spending. And, sweeties, I had $1, $2, $3 remaining left. Let me write that down. Restaurants. Let's see. I have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. $5 remaining left. And the next category is self-care and beauty. And so, sweeties, I have $1 remaining left. And let me write that down. Next is nails. I also have $1 remaining left. Let's write it down over here. Next, sweeties, is hair. And I had $1 remaining left. I'm getting a lot of ones, y'all. And so, home supplies. Let's see how much money we had rollover / leftover. And once again, honey, I had $1 left. All right, let's write that down. And miscellaneous. I have $2 remaining left. So let me write that down over here. All right, sweeties, so for the sake of the video not being so long, what I'm going to do is off camera, I am going to add up for the whole month of how much total money that I actually had rollover / leftover. All right, sweeties, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything on the side here. And so next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rollover / leftover monies, and I'm going to see how much it come out to be. All right, sweeties, so that's 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Yay! I had a total of $47 of rollover money, and that is awesome, you guys. So once again, since I had this amount left over, I'm going to cash stuff these inside my saving challenges. All right, sweeties, I'm going to place this money on the side, and I'm going to bring back my wallet here. And so now I'm going to cash stuff. So, sweeties, I had already budgeted out the money. Like earlier, I did a previous video. And so that's where the $385 came from. I had did a budget. And so, sweeties, this money that I'm going to be cash stuffing now, honey, this got to last me till the next pay period. All right, sweeties, so let's open this up. And so over here, I have everything written down so I won't make no mistakes of how much I'm supposed to cash stuff. All right, sweeties. So let's start with my funds, which is Keena's. And so you guys, I'm going to cash stuff $40. So that's $1, $2.20. So that's $20, $40. All right, sweeties, groceries is next. Let me move this down some. Okay, I hope you guys can see everything. All right, sweeties, groceries is next. That's going to be seeing a total of $80. So that's 2, 3. That is $4.20. So that's 20, 40, 60, $80. I'm going to place this nice and neat in the grocery category. All right, sweeties, next it is snacks. And that's going to be seeing me a total of $20. So here's a $20 bill. All right, sweeties. You know what? Let me move this. It's a glare again. Hold on for a second, you guys. Okay. I hope that's a little bit better. All right, sweeties. So the next category, it is gas. And that's going to be seeing a total of $40. So that's $20. $40, 20, 40. And so if you guys notice that the gas price is going up. So guess what, y'all? When I rode past the gas station that's near my house, guess what, y'all? That gas is $3.89 now. So, you know, here we go again, y'all, with the gas. But so far, I've been okay. All right, sweeties, car wash, we're going to skip. Next is spending. I'm going to give myself $40. So that's $20, $40, 20, 40. I'm going to place that nice and neat. All right, sweeties, restaurant. And so that's going to be saving a total of $50. So, sweeties, with restaurant, I was able to, I don't know how long I can do this, but I was able to bump it up an extra $10 because I usually would cast of $40. So the last past pay period and this pay period, I was able to do $50 instead. The reason why, you guys, was trying to get a little bit more is because I was finding myself not like cooking. You know, it's like I get so kind of tired and stuff, and sometimes I don't feel like cooking. So I started like eating out a little bit more. So, you know, and those restaurants, honey, they're expensive. So, sweeties, I'm excited about that. I'm able to cash stuff, you know, extra $10 for the restaurants. All right, sweeties, self-care and beauty. That's going to be receiving a total of $20. And so here it is, sweeties. If I can get it open, y'all, the envelope. All right, sweeties, nails. Nails are going to be receiving a total of $60. So that's 20, 40, $60. And let me place that in this envelope nice and neat. Next, sweeties, is hair. That's going to be receiving a total of $20. And that's my last 20. All right, sweeties, next is missile. I'm sorry, not missile. It is home supplies, y'all. This one is going to be getting a total of $10. Here we go. And I didn't need too much. I still, you know what? I had said in one of my videos that I supposed to got bleach, you know. I still haven't gotten bleach yet, y'all. So I got to definitely go get some this weekend. All right, sweeties. So last but not least, the last category was going to be stuffing is miscellaneous. So that's going to be receiving $5. Here it is, sweeties. I'm going to cast stuff this nice and neat. All right, sweeties. So That is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos, and I will see you in my next one.